Hello friends. In this video I'm going to open up an electric bell. You might have seen this type of electric bell hanging beside a door, and yes, you are right, this is a ding-dong electric bell. So let's check what inside an electric bell and how it works. So before proceeding further, let's check whether it is working or not. So I have taken an extension cord and I am just inserting two wires of electric bell. Okay, it is working. It's working fine. Okay, so it's working fine. So let's open it up quickly. It is having one clip, one small clip there. There is no screws in this box. So just open the clip and you are done. As you could see, there were two metallic strips on the both sides fixed loosely to the chassis. It looks like the small cylindrical metallic rod, which is fixed with the spring attachment, is hitting the metallic strip to create the sound. I'm so eager to see the internal mechanism, so let's check it out. So I'm taking the extension cord once again and let's insert the wire. I need to do this very carefully. So here it is. Oh, as you could see, as soon as I'm connecting it to the power supply, it is hitting the lower metallic strip, and when I'm removing the power supply, it is hitting the upper metallic strip. So it is working on the principle of electromagnetism. As soon as I am connecting it to the power supply, the coil gets magnetized and pull the metallic rod towards it. Due to that force, it hits the lower metallic strip, which creates the first sound. And when power source is released, the coil gets demagnetized and the spring tries to get into its previous position. The spring tries to retain its normal state, and due to that force, the metallic rod fixed with the spring hits the upper metallic strip, and we hear the second sound. So this is the basic mechanism of this electric bell. So it actually it works on very simple mechanism. So now I'm trying to open up this small clip. So once it will be removed, then we can able to see the coil inside it. Okay. Oh, the coil got heated up. Oh, so no need to worry about it. Actually, I'm using this for a long time. That's why it got heated up. And now I am trying to disassemble the coil from the chassis along with that spring to have a look how the coil is winded up on that platform. So I need to take it out very carefully. I'm using a screwdriver to take it out. However, I need to keep one thing in my mind. I should not tamper with the spring. Otherwise, next time it will not work properly. It will have the problem in the movement of the metallic rod inside the coil. Okay, so here it is. This is the coil. It is just a solenoid. There is no soft iron core in between of the coil. It is just winded up on the plastic roll, and that roll is having some metallic, some cylindrical pipe inside it, which looks like it is of aluminum. And here you can see the copper coil is protected with the paper wrapped on it. So this is the only coil which works inside this electric bell. So these two wires coming out from the coil is the two end of the coil. So this is the spring mechanism, and you could see how the spring and metallic rod attached together. So it works like this. It is getting pulled and then it is coming back to its previous position. So now let's put all the parts inside the chassis. I'm making this fast forward to save the time. Okay, now it got fixed. So let's check it out. Okay, it's working properly. So this is the only mechanism in this electric bulb. There is nothing big in this electric bulb. So even one can build it for a school project. So now time to assemble the remaining parts of the electric bulb. So this is the coil cover, and this is the outer cover. That's it. Now I will check it once again. Okay, it's working fine. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for the latest video. Thank you.